high fences at the West Point Mint guard one of America's greatest secrets. Here, raw bars of gold are made into coins. The West Point Mint holds part of the nation's trove of gold, a stash second only to Fort Knox. This one vault alone contains about 1/5 of all the gold at West Point. Henrietta Holtzman IV serves as the 37th Director of the United States Mint.
Here at the United States Mint at West Point, we hold about 20% of the nation's gold reserves, about $20 billion. These are pure gold bullion bars. This is worth about $150,000. It weighs about 27 pounds, and we get about 400 ounces of gold out of these bars. And these two pallets of gold, each one has about $14 million worth on each pallet. And behind me is about another $450 million worth of gold.
The Mint doesn't just store gold. It also turns it into coins that it sells to investors and collectors.
We have a working stock and we have a reserve stock. The working stock we make into gold bullion coins that are sold to investors and collectors worldwide. And the reserve stock we keep safely.
Just as the government likes to keep its own stockpile of gold, smaller investors view it as a safe haven as well.
Well, gold has often been seen as a substitute for money. It's a commodity that you can exchange. One fascinating aspect is that in times of crises, the world turns to gold as an investment. They did it after September 11th. They also did it at the turn of the century for the year 2000. Now in the United States, we use credit cards and we use paper currency very frequently. We do not use our gold, but it is here safely waiting in case America needs it.
Collectors tend to be demanding about the quality of coins they buy, so the Mint has to prepare the gold carefully before making the final product.
Yeah, welcome. Just want to talk to you a little bit about the difference between bullion and numismatic coins. I know that was one of the first questions, and it was real confusing for me when I first got into researching gold and silver and precious metals and investing. So what I found out was the difference is bullion is the value comes from the weight of the actual metal, versus numismatic is based more on a rare value, you know, a collector's value. Josh, you have anything you want to add to that?
Yeah, well, with the numismatic coins, it's also a piece of history and artwork. So if you had, let's say, a statue made out of gold, well then there's two different ways that you arrive at the value of that statue. One would be looking at the year it was built and who made it, and the next is what does it weigh? Because it is made of precious metal. That's where we get the term, oh, it's worth its weight in gold. So if we were to look at a numismatic coin that was made in the 1800s and it was still in great condition, well then that coin, even if it still only weighed 1 ounce, would be worth much, much more than the new, just got stamped out 2010 or 2011 bullion coin. Okay, so again, that's the main difference between the two, if we can help clarify that. If you're somebody just starting out and say you don't have the $1,300 to $1,400 an ounce to buy gold, silver is a great place to put your money. Again, the silver gets shipped directly to your house, and through this program, you're going to buy it at cost, which is fantastic. Then the company continues to make money because we're selling memberships and allowing people to get access to this huge supply of precious metals. So again, securegoldsilver.com. securegoldsilver.com. Go there right now, sign up for the free trial. One of our team members is going to follow up with you and we'll be able to answer all your questions. Thanks so much.